Welcome to today's story, a peaceful journey to a tranquil tropical beach. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let the soothing imagery carry you away. Feel yourself step into a world of sunshine, calm waters, and gentle breezes, a place where time slows down and peace washes over you like the tide. Far away from the noise of the world, nestled along the edge of a remote island, there lies a hidden beach. A stretch of soft white sand curves gently along the shoreline, kissed by the clear, calm waters of the ocean. This beach is a sanctuary, a place untouched by time, where the sun shines gently and the rhythm of the waves whispers peace. As you step onto the sand, you feel its warmth beneath your feet, soft and welcoming, like a comforting blanket. The sun shines high in the sky, casting a golden light over the landscape. Gentle waves lap at the shore, their soft, rhythmic sound creating a soothing melody that harmonizes with the breeze. The ocean stretches endlessly before you, a clear, tranquil blue that meets the sky on the distant horizon. The water sparkles in the sunlight, inviting you to leave your worries behind and immerse yourself in the calm. You begin to walk along the beach, each step sinking softly into the sand. The scent of salt water mingles with the delicate fragrance of tropical flowers carried on the breeze. The air is warm, but a gentle breeze keeps you cool, rustling the leaves of the nearby palm trees. As you walk, you notice the dappled shade cast by the palms swaying gracefully in the breeze. Their long, slender leaves filter the sunlight, creating patterns on the sand that dance as the wind moves through the trees. You pause for a moment, standing in the shade, letting the soft shadows play across your skin. The beach is deserted, peaceful. There are no footprints, no signs of others, only the natural beauty of this hidden paradise. The only sounds are the gentle lapping of the waves, the rustle of the palms, and the occasional call of a seabird flying overhead. As you continue your walk, you come across a hammock tied between two sturdy palm trees. It sways gently in the breeze, inviting you to rest. You approach the hammock, running your hand along its soft fabric, feeling the warmth of the sun and the coolness of the breeze. You settle into the hammock, feeling it cradle you softly. The gentle rocking motion soothes you, and you gaze out at the ocean, watching the waves ripple across the surface. Time seems to slow down, and all that matters is this moment: the sun, the sea, the breeze, and you. With each breath you take, you feel more relaxed, more at peace. The stresses of life fade away, carried off by the wind. You feel connected to the earth, to the sky, and to the water. This beach is your sanctuary, a place where you can truly let go. You rise from the hammock and continue your walk along the beach. The sand feels cool beneath your feet now, and the breeze carries the scent of the ocean and flowers. You feel light, unburdened, at peace. The path leads you toward a small lagoon, where the water is even calmer, protected by a natural rock formation. The lagoon's surface is so still it reflects the sky like glass. You sit at the water's edge, dipping your fingers into the warm, clear water, feeling the connection to the natural world deepen. The whispers of the ocean remind you of the peace that is always within reach. Here, on this tranquil beach, you have found a place where you can truly connect with a sense of calm and serenity. The beach is always waiting for you, ready to offer its peace whenever you need it. As the day draws on, you take one last deep breath, filling your lungs with the fresh ocean air. You feel completely at ease, knowing that this moment of tranquility will stay with you. Let yourself drift off now, carrying the peace of the beach with you. Breathe in calmness and breathe out any remaining tension. Remember that tranquility is always within reach. A walk on the beach, the sound of the waves, and the gentle whispers of nature are waiting for you whenever you need to find a sense of calm and serenity. Sweet dreams.